Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing HeyGen versus Synthesia versus Elai.io and which is the best AI video avatar tool. Let's get started. So first things first, here we have a few pros and cons regarding Synthesia. So as you can see here, it has a high rating of 9.0. It includes AI avatars, text-to-speech, templates, video editor, and it is all for the price of $22 a month. Here we have Elai. It has a pretty good rating of 8.5. It also has custom avatars. It has interactivity, real-time chat, voice cloning. It also has a free plan available, which unfortunately Synthesia does not. It has no free plan available, and it is also for the price of $22 a month. Now we bring in HeyGen. HeyGen has a pretty decent review of 4.3 out of 5, or in short, 8.6 out of 10. And it has pretty decent reviews. As you can see here, some people are complaining about it. Some have good reviews, some have bad reviews. Some are in regards to the customer service. Some are in regards to the actual AI video avatar tool itself. In my opinion, I would go ahead and put in Synthesia as the best AI video avatar tool available. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.